I'm starting to sketch from the small boat, which is the focal point of the whole composition. Attention should be paid on the perspective. And then in the right corner, only a little part of other boats, trees, and the background and the horizontal line. Now starting the first wash of the sky, which I only use cobalt blue. And then the water surface, I have divided them into 3 different color zones. Down the top, it's a green, and in the middle is a very bright area with a little bit blue. And in the foreground area, there's a mix of different color, including yellow, blue, greens, and burnt sienna. Now the small boat and the reeds. When I paint the reeds, I pay attention to the sense of integration. To present the ripples of the water and also the reflection is the challenging parts. I'm telling myself that I have to demonstrate in a natural way. For the focal point, the small boat, the perspective, of course, I have said before, and also the structure and the mix of the bottom and the water surface with a certain water amount to have this boat let people believe it's on the water, in the water. Okay, some adding on, and to stress the reflections, and now it's done. Thank you.